Welcome. Today, we begin a journey into one of the most powerful forces shaping our world, entrepreneurship and innovation. By the end, you will understand not just what these words mean, but why they may change the course of your life. Let us start with a simple question. Look around you. Almost everything you see, the phone in your hand, the food you eat, the services you use, once existed only as an idea in someone's mind. Someone imagined it. Someone took a risk to build it. That someone was an entrepreneur. And the new idea they brought to life, that was innovation. So let us define our terms clearly. Entrepreneurship is the process of identifying an opportunity, taking a risk, and creating value by building something new, usually a business, to meet a need. And innovation is the act of turning a new idea into something useful. It is not just having ideas. Anyone can have ideas. Innovation is making them real, and making them matter. Here is an important lesson to hold on to. Entrepreneurship and innovation are not the same thing, but they belong together. Innovation is the engine. Entrepreneurship is the vehicle that brings it to the world. Now, let us clear up a common myth. Many people believe an entrepreneur is born, not made. That you either have it, or you do not. This is simply not true. Entrepreneurship is a discipline. It can be studied. It can be practiced. It can be learned. The mindset and the skills behind it are available to anyone willing to develop them. So what is that mindset? Let us examine the qualities that define the entrepreneurial way of thinking, because this is the heart of our module. First, opportunity recognition. Entrepreneurs see problems differently. Where others see frustration, they see a need waiting to be met. Every great business begins as a solution to someone's problem. Second, comfort with risk and uncertainty. Entrepreneurs do not avoid risk. They learn to manage it, to take calculated chances, and to act even when the outcome is not guaranteed. Third, resilience. This may be the most important of all. The path is full of failure. The difference is that entrepreneurs treat failure not as the end, but as a lesson. They fall, they learn, they rise again. And fourth, creativity and vision. The ability to imagine something that does not yet exist, and the determination to pursue it. These four qualities can be built in anyone, through practice. Now let us walk through how innovation actually happens, step by step. Because innovation is not magic. It follows a process you can learn and repeat. It begins with empathy, deeply understanding the people you want to serve. What do they struggle with? What do they truly need? The best innovations start by listening, not by talking. Next comes ideation, the generation of many possible solutions. Here, quantity matters. The goal is to think freely, without judging, producing as many ideas as possible before choosing. Then we move to the prototype, a simple, early version of the idea. Not perfect. Not finished. Just enough to test whether it works and whether people want it. And finally, testing. We put the prototype in front of real people, gather their honest feedback, and improve. Then we repeat the cycle. This loop, build, test, learn, improve, is the secret rhythm of all great innovation. This brings us to one of the most valuable concepts in modern entrepreneurship, the lean approach. The old way was to spend years and fortunes building something in secret, then hope people wanted it. The lean way is different. Start small. Build a minimum viable product, the simplest version that delivers real value. Launch it. Learn from real customers. Then grow based on what they actually tell you. This is why we say, fail fast, learn faster. It is far cheaper to discover a flaw in a small experiment than in a finished product the market rejects. But an idea, however brilliant, needs a plan to survive. This is where the business model comes in, the story of how your venture creates value, delivers it, and earns income in return. A useful tool here is the business model canvas. It asks the essential questions on a single page. Who are your customers? What value do you offer them? How will you reach them? And how will you make money? Answer these, and your idea becomes a venture. Now, why does all of this matter so deeply for Africa? Because our continent faces real challenges, and every challenge is an opportunity waiting for an entrepreneur. Across Africa, young innovators are already transforming lives. In mobile money, in agriculture, in clean energy, in health. They are not waiting for jobs. They are creating them, for themselves and for others. This is the power of entrepreneurship. It does not just build wealth. It builds employment, solves problems, and strengthens entire communities. The entrepreneur is a builder of the future. So as we close this lesson, remember the core truths. Innovation turns ideas into value. Entrepreneurship turns value into a venture. Both can be learned. And both are needed, now more than ever. You do not need to wait for permission. You do not need to be born special. You need a problem worth solving, the courage to begin, and the willingness to learn as you go. The next great venture could begin with you. The only question is whether you will take the first step. At Nexus International University, Uganda, we will help you take it. Study entrepreneurship and innovation through our hybrid learning and teaching model, online and on campus, built for the way you live and learn. Learn from anywhere, connect when it matters, and move forward without putting your ambitions on hold. Whatever your starting point, there is a pathway built for you. Enroll in a micro-credential to build job-ready skills fast. A bachelor's for your complete foundation. A postgraduate diploma to sharpen your edge. Or a master's to reach the highest level. One program to suit every stage of your journey. Expand your horizons at Nexus International University, Uganda. Enroll now. Visit www.niu.ac.ug today, and take the first step towards the future you deserve. Nexus International University. Boundless by design.